Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. I hope all of you in a good condition and you are ready to study English with me. Welcome to my English class. Today, we are going to talk about daily activities and events. With me, Mrs. Darwati. Talking about daily activities. Artinya, kita akan membicarakan tentang kegiatan sehari-hari. We use simple present tense. Simple present tense is used for a general activity, a general truth, habitual action, mental states, and perception. Things to remember. In simple present tense, use verb 1, to go, to buy, to send. Go artinya pergi, buy membeli, send mengirim. And in simple present tense also uses linking verbs. They are am, is, are. Well, my student, look at the following examples. General activity. My sister plays the guitar. Saudara perempuan saya bermain gitar. Mr. Kurniawan manages the show. Ikram works for the Astra company. Ikram bekerja di sebuah perusahaan Astra. Look at the example about general truth. Water boils at 100 degrees. Air mendidih pada suhu 100 derajat. The sun sets in the west. Matahari terbit dari timur. The sky is blue. Langit itu biru. They are the habitual action. The students go to school every day. Para siswa ke sekolah setiap hari. She drinks a cup of tea every morning. Dia perempuan minum secangkir teh setiap pagi. He gets up early in the morning. Dia laki-laki bangun pagi di pagi hari. Look at the subject from the 3 sentences. The student go to school every day. The subject here is the students. So the verb using verb 1. And then the second sentence She drinks a cup of tea every morning. The subject is she, and we use verb 1, drink. However, drink here add with s. So, she drinks a cup of tea every morning. She gets up early in the morning. The subject is he, so the verb add with letter S on gets up. Well, my students, I hope all of you understand with my explanation. Verbs of perception. We hear some noise in the hall. She smells something burning. This medicine tastes awful. Verbs of mental states. I believe he is right. He knows the answer. We don't understand the question. The verb that including into mental states are believe, knows, and understand. I believe he is right. Artinya, saya percaya dia benar. He knows the answer. Dia mengetahui jawaban. We don't understand the question. Kami tidak memahami pertanyaan itu. These are the examples using verbs of mental states in simple present tense. Now look at the first sentence. I believe he is right. The subject is I, so the verb believe does not add with s. The second sentence, he knows the answer. The subject is he, so the verb become knows. He knows the answer. And the third sentence is negative sentence. We don't understand the question. In negative sentence also uses verb 1. Now we are talking about events. The present progressive tense. The activity is happening right now or at the time the speaker is saying it. Aktivitas yang sedang terjadi sekarang saat pembicara itu berkata itu merupakan bentuk fungsi dari penggunaan present progressive tense. The things that you have to remember, the linking verb. The linking verb is am, are, using verb 1 and the verb 1 here add with ing. For example, go becomes going, eating, buying. Going means makan, eating means pergi, eating means makan, buying means membeli. Jadi anak-anak, Diingat, ketika present progressive tense, maka linking verb diikuti dengan kata kerja bentuk 1 dan ditambah dengan ing. Look at the following examples. Lihat contoh-contoh berikut. It's noon. I am eating lunch at the cafeteria right now. The sentence here means, kalimat ini artinya bahwa ini siang. Saya sedang makan siang di kafe sekarang. Jadi speaker saat berbicara itu sedang makan siang. Annie can't come to the pond right now because she is taking a shower. Annie tidak dapat datang untuk menelpon sekarang karena dia sedang mandi. Is taking a shower. Nah, ini adalah contoh dari present progressive tense, yaitu kata kerja linking verb-nya itu adalah is, kata kerja bentuk satunya take yang ditambah dengan ing menjadi she is taking a shower. Look at the following table. Statement of simple present tense: I, you, we, they. Jika menggunakan kata kerja, maka kata kerjanya itu adalah bentuk 1. I artinya saya, you kamu, we kami, they mereka. Kemudian he, she, it works. He itu artinya dia laki-laki, she dia perempuan, dan it itu benda tunggal, works. Bedakan antara work dengan works. Jika subjeknya I, you, we, they, maka verb satunya tanpa ditambah dengan s. Jika subjeknya he, she, it, maka kata kerjanya ditambah dengan s. Now look at the statement of present progressive. I am working. You are working. We are working. They are working. Jika subjeknya I, maka linking verb yang digunakan adalah am. Kemudian kata kerjanya dari kata dasar work ditambah dengan ing. Jadi kalimatnya menjadi I am working. Lalu jika kita menemukan subjek you, maka linking verb atau to be yang digunakan adalah are. Kemudian kata kerjanya menjadi verb ing juga, menjadi you are working. We are working, they are working. She is working, he is working, it is working. Jika subjeknya he, she, it, maka linking verb yang digunakan adalah is. Jangan lupa untuk menggunakan kata kerja bentuk 1 yang ditambah dengan ing. Negative sentence. Dalam simple present tense, kalimat negatif I do not work, you do not work, we do not work, they do not work. Saya tidak bekerja. Kamu tidak bekerja. Kami tidak bekerja. Mereka tidak bekerja. Untuk subjek, I, you, we, they, maka menggunakan auxiliary verb do yang diikuti dengan not, kemudian menggunakan kata kerja bentuk 1. He does not work. She does not work. It does not work. Jika subjeknya itu adalah he, she, or it, maka auxiliary yang digunakan adalah does yang diikuti dengan not, kemudian diikuti dengan verb one. He does not work. Dia tidak bekerja. She does not work. Dia tidak bekerja. Now, negative sentence or on present progressive. I am not working. You are not working. We are not working. They are not working. Saya tidak sedang bekerja. Kamu tidak sedang bekerja. We are not working. Kami tidak sedang bekerja. They are not working. Mereka tidak sedang bekerja. Jadi dilihat anak-anak, ketika present progressive, bentuk negatifnya itu menggunakan setelah subjek itu diikuti am, are, atau is. Setelah itu diikuti dengan verb 1 yang ditambah dengan ing atau verb ing. Tidak menggunakan do atau does pada present progressive. Okay, the next step in question. Do I work? Apakah saya bekerja? Do you work? Do we work? Do they work? Apakah saya bekerja? Apakah kamu bekerja? Apakah mereka bekerja? Jika bertanya, nah subjeknya adalah I, you, we, they, maka kita menggunakan do. Bentuk kalimat pertanyaan, do diletakkan di awal. Setelah do diikuti dengan subjek. Setelah itu diikuti dengan kata kerja bentuk 1. Lalu ketika subjeknya adalah he, she, it, maka bentuk pertanyaannya menjadi does she work? Does he work? Does it work? Bedakan. Next, the question on present progressive. Am I working? Are you working? Are we working? Are they working? Am I working artinya apakah saya sedang bekerja? Are you working? Apakah Anda sedang bekerja? Are we working? Apakah kita sedang bekerja? Are they working? Apakah mereka sedang bekerja? Ingat, ketika subjeknya I, maka linking verb yang digunakan adalah am. Karena ini bentuk pertanyaan, maka am-nya dipakai di awal subjek. The next example, is he working? Is she working? Is it working? Okay, all of you understand with my explanation? For question number 1 to number 3, find the correct answer by circling A, B, C, or D. Teacher, how do you go to school? Student, I will give you 3 seconds to choose the correct answer. What is your answer? Okay, the answer is A. How do you go to school? I take a bus. This question is according to daily activities. So, the tenses that use is simple present tense. Okay, it asks about your daily habit. The second question, what does a teacher do? Kathy answered, she usually explained the lesson to the student. She usually explained the lesson to the students. She is explaining the lesson to the students. She has explained the lesson to the students. Okay, I will give you 3 seconds to choose the correct answer. Prepare your answer, please. The answer is B. Now look at the complete conversation. What does a teacher do? She usually explains the lesson to the student. Because it asks about what a teacher's habit is. Jadi ini yang dipilih adalah yang B karena itu adalah menjelaskan tentang kebiasaan dari guru. Makanya memakai simple present tense. Can I speak to Lia? I am afraid blah blah blah. When will she back? At 1 o'clock. Can I take a message? No thanks. I will call her back later. She is having a meeting. She is in her room. He had a meeting. She will be here. What is your answer, my students? Yes, good. The answer is A. The caller asks what Lia's. Now look at again. Can I speak to Lia? I am afraid. He is having a meeting. Jadi this is present progressive tense. For question number 4 to number 7, find one word or phrase that is not correct. Do you believe in flying saucers? What did you talking about? I think it's only your imagination. Find one word or phrase that is not correct. Pilih salah satu jawaban atau frase yang tidak tepat. Dari A itu believe, kemudian B did, C talking, D D itu think. I will repeat. Do you believe in flying saucers? What did you talking about? I think it's only your imagination. Okay, what is your answer? Okay, the answer is B. Nah, because Santi asks what Danny is talking about. Ini tidak tepat memakai did karena ini menanyakan apa yang sedang dibicarakan. Jadi did-nya ini harusnya tidak memakai did, tetapi what are you talking about? Okay, number 5. What do you do when you are nervous? When I am nervous, I'm biting my nails. Which is incorrect? A, B, C, or D? Yeah, the answer is D. Because it's asks your habit. Nah, harusnya yang di ini tidak menggunakan present progressive, tetapi yang digunakan adalah simple present tense. Maka jawaban yang salah adalah yang D. Why are you smile? I'm smiling because I'm happy. So I always smile when I'm happy. Which is incorrect. Why are you smile? A is smile. I'm smiling. B, I'm happy. The underlined word is happy. So I always smile when I'm happy. Nah, D-nya itu yang happy. Prepare your answer, my student. The correct answer is A. Jadi yang salah adalah A. Seharusnya A itu yang dipakai adalah present progressive. Pertanyaannya yang betul menjadi why are you smiling? What's Mayang doing? Blah blah blah, that's strange. She never cleans her room. Apa yang sedang Mayang lakukan? The options are A. She is fixing the car. He is studying English. He is cleaning her room. He is having a meeting. What is your answer, my students? Okay, the correct answer is C. Now look at the complete conversation. What's Mayang doing? He is cleaning her room. That's strange. He never cleans her room. Jadi pertanyaan ini mengacu kepada jawaban tentang apa yang dilakukan oleh Mayang, yang sedang dilakukan oleh Mayang. Maka jawabannya adalah tentang kegiatan yang sedang dilakukan oleh Mayang pada saat itu. Nah, maka yang dipilih adalah he is cleaning her room. Dia sedang membersihkan ruangannya. Because father asks about Mayang's activities. Okay, well, my students, I think enough for today. I hope all of you understand with my explanation about daily activities and events. See you for the next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.